The FIFA Women's World Cup is now just 6 days away, and as we continue our build-up this evening, we look at how a few of Jamaica's senior reggae girls balanced the books and the ball to create history. More in this report.
Primetime Sports FIFA Women's World Cup report.
Combining sports and academics has always come up for debate in sporting circles, and several of the senior reggae girls have had to contend with the balancing act. Creating history was always at the forefront of the team's mind. But for some, the classroom was still important even when they were 1,000 miles away. Versatile left-sided player DENEISHA Blackwood, a past student of Excelsior High and University of West Florida, used a particular situation as her motivation to overcome the obstacle.
When you come from an adverse background and you get a chance like that, you just have to say, whatever happens, you just have to push through it and know that you have to reach the finish line, and that's what I did.
Chanel Hudson-Marks, who is Canadian-born and a cousin of three-time double Olympic champion Usain Bolt, says it was tough to juggle both tasks.
It was pretty difficult, especially traveling a lot with the team. But all my teachers and classmates were really understanding, so that helped out a lot.
And for talismanic striker Khadija Bunny Shaw, the mind is more powerful than anything else in securing that day on the podium at the graduation ceremony.
I mean, from the get-go, I wanted to graduate because, you know, the knees and the legs are going to get tired one day, but the mind won't leave me. So, I mean, I knew that, you know, it's going to be hard, especially leaving to play with my country, leaving for my school and actually doing my schoolwork. I mean, I have professors told me that I should do it in fall because I probably won't be able to graduate. So, I mean, when I walk across that stage, I was just so proud. And then when they saw me, they're like, I can't believe you did it. So, I mean, it's hard, but once you put your mind to it, you will accomplish it.
To make family and friends happy is always the aim of international players, and Blackwood feels this was her most cherished moment in 2018.
To even look up and see my mom, know that we didn't have much back then, and to see her, I could make her come there and watch me, it was just an overwhelming feeling.
Live coverage of the FIFA Women's World Cup will be on TVJ, TVJ-SN, OneSpotMedia.com, and extensive radio coverage on Hits 92 FM.
Primetime Sports FIFA Women's World Cup report